In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Crypto.com. To do this, first just go and open up the Revolut app and then click crypto in the bottom. From here, you will need to first own some crypto. So if you don't own any yet, just gonna click trade and buy some using your balance. Then after doing that, click send and pick the cryptocurrency you want to transfer over to Crypto.com. I'll go with USDT. Then once you've done that, you will see something like this. Now from here, just click add wallet address and that's going to take you right here. Now at the top, you can see currency network pairing, which for me is USDT and then the network Ethereum. So that means that you need to select on Crypto.com as well that you are using the Ethereum network. And I'll show you how that works. But for now, just go and open up Crypto.com and then on Crypto.com, click on deposit and select crypto. Now here, just select the same cryptocurrency that you did on Revolut, which for me is USDT, so I'll search for it right here, Tether USDT. And then for the network, I need to pick Ethereum since that is also what I had on Revolut. Now from here, just go and copy your wallet address and go back to Revolut. And then paste in your wallet address right here, and then go and click on continue. Now if it's someone else's wallet, then you want to click someone else's first, and then you will need to enter some details about them. So after doing that, it will be added to your list of wallet addresses right here, so just go and click on it. And then here choose how much you would like to transfer and click on review transfer. And after doing that, you will then see an overview. So you will see the fees and stuff like that. From there, just confirm it, and then the money will be on its way to your Crypto.com account. So now you know how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.